After finishes the stitching in matte green, elongated the loop on the hook. Then we can grab the short tail and put on it to close up the hook. The hook insert the original loop again. Remove the stitch mark. And slip stitch join into the first single crochet. So with our hook, we are going to insert the hook into the two loops that form V of the very first stitch of this round. Yarn under and pull through. And pull the first loop on the hook into the second. And we are going to pull on our yarn and tighten this so that the seam is smaller and less visible. Then crochet a slip knot. Each round end with a slip stitch and start with chain 1.